outside. Do not go from outside to inside while solving the brackets. What will be the sign of the product if we together multiply 197 negative integers and 18 positive integers? Remember one basic. Odd times negative equals to negative. Even times negative equals to positive. So in our case it is 197 negative. So odd times negative. So this answer will be negative. And 18 positive. So positive is always positive. Let it be even or odd. So negative into positive. So the sign will be negative. See this, 197 negative means negative, 18 positive means positive. So negative into positive equals to negative, that is minus. Find the value of x in minus 18 into 4 plus minus 2 equals to minus 18 into 4 plus minus 18 into x. This is of the type a into b plus c equals to a into b plus a into c. This a goes to both a, b and c. So minus 18 into 4 plus minus 18 into minus 2. So x is minus 2. Next, state true or false. All natural numbers are whole numbers and all whole numbers are not integers. This applies for all real numbers. Natural numbers are smaller than whole numbers. They fit into whole numbers. So all natural numbers are whole numbers. And all whole numbers are integers. So this is false. Similarly others. B is false because of this part. All integers are natural numbers. That is false. First one is right. C is false because of the first part. All integers are whole numbers. All integers are not whole numbers. All whole numbers are integers. So that is false. D is false because both the parts are wrong. All integers are whole numbers. That is also wrong. All integers are natural numbers. That is also wrong. So all are false. Download Yuaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp on the number for. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.